What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stuff the Lawn Surgeon. Today I'm gonna be doing mulch. As y'all see, I have some mulch here, and let me show y'all what we're gonna be mulching. I'm actually gonna be mulching the whole yard, but I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm gonna put a nice edge on this, remove the weeds, and mulch it up. But I'm not gonna use an edging shovel. I'm gonna use a weed eater. I know you guys are like, oh my God, Seth, I can't believe you're gonna use a weed eater. That's so unprofessional. It's gonna look like crap. Well, I apologize if I'm just that much better at edging a flower bed with a weed eater than you are. If you can't do it, it's okay to admit it. You get what I'm saying? If you want to know how to do it, just get your popcorn, sit back, relax, and let's go. Yes, sir. Alright, I want to show you guys something. As you can see, there's some weeds here, and some of them are browning. And I know when a lot of you do flower beds and whatnot, y'all try to completely remove the weeds because y'all don't want the chance of them coming back. But the thing about that is, a lot of times you remove the top of the weed, but you don't get down to the root, so it's gonna grow back anyway. What I've done is I kind of cut it down flat, but I've left some weeds. And the reason they're browning is because I sprayed them with weed killer, grass and weed killer. And I'm going to spray it one more time before I put the mulch on top. What this allows it to do is the weed killer soaks into the weeds and it slowly kills the weeds down to the roots. So instead of trying to totally remove it, you leave a little bit so it has something to kill it to the roots. That way it's less of a chance it's going to come back. 9 times out of 10 it's still going to come back, they're weeds, but this gives you a fighting chance. Alright people, not too shabby, if I do say so myself. That's that. I gotta hurry up. My phone has been blowing up. I already had one appointment scheduled to give a quote today. Now somebody else in the same area wants me to give a quote. Things are booming, people. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.